how to find recently added contacts on iPhone. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your shortcuts. So if you don't have that application, then you can actually download it to your app store. Then what you're going to do next after opening your shortcuts is on the upper right, you'll see a plus sign there. Tap on that. And then what you're gonna do next is to tap here, search for apps and actions. You may want to search for contacts there and then click on contacts. And here, what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on find contacts. And then what you're gonna do next is you're gonna sort them here, creation date. And then of course the order would be latest to first. And then if you want to limit them, you can put here five contacts. So the first five recent contacts that you have added will be given to you, or you can even tap add on those contacts, or you just want to have three contacts, the three recent contacts that you have. And then next would be what you're gonna do is to tap on play here. Then what you're gonna do is on the bottom part, you'll see this play here. Tap on play. And then here you will be given the three contacts that you just recently saved, as you can see here. And basically that is it. You can even put it here like this. You can just and basically that is it. That is how to find recently added contacts on iPhone, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.